Hello Calgary and welcome to Maclin Ford. My name is Tim and I hope you're having a fantastic day today. Today I'm showing off this agate black 2021 Ford F-150 which CarFax says is an Alberta vehicle with absolutely zero accidents. In the XLT trim, this F-150 comes packed with a 300A equipment group, a trailer tow package with integrated brake control, as well as a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine. Some of the more notable features of this F-150 include remote access, steering wheel mounted audio controls, a power tailgate release with tailgate step. This touch productivity screen allows easy access to the controls for your navigation, your audio systems, and your Bluetooth. This is also where you will see the feed from your reverse camera. Let's take a quick look at this roomy back seat that can be easily converted from passenger to cargo use depending on your needs. Thanks for watching. Now there is a lot more to show you about this F-150 than I can show you in this quick video. So for more information or to even book a test drive, go ahead and click that link below in the description. Now you do get to choose whether you want to come visit us in person at our store or if you want us to bring this F-150 out to you at your Calgary area home or office. And have yourself a fantastic day.